A judge shot inside a Kentucky courthouse, reportedly by the county sheriff, is confirmed dead.
Letcher County Courthouse, that shot's fired.
Around 3 p.m., dozens of police officers descended on the Letcher County Courthouse in Whitesburg, Kentucky.
You won't believe what happened in a Kentucky courthouse. A sheriff got into an altercation with a judge who he subsequently shot. So, Letcher County Sheriff Shawn Stines was in an argument with Judge Kevin Mullins, which took place apparently inside the courthouse, and then after that he followed the judge into his chambers and let off a shot. Unfortunately, the judge has passed away. This was actually caught on camera as you can see, and it's not exactly clear how the sheriff intends to defend this issue and what his defense is going to be. Because for those who may be unaware, Kentucky is a very serious state in America. If you get charged and convicted of first-degree unaliving, you could be facing the ultimate penalty where you could be unalived. That's how serious it is. So what a lot of defendants in this case do is actually get a plea. They take a plea instead to avoid the capital penalty. The other thing they may do is have an insanity defense, so stating that they didn't understand the nature of their actions due to some mental defect. It's not clear what the sheriff is going to say because there's a ton of evidence against him, and there's actually a backstory to this issue. The sheriff was being investigated for rape of inmates, female inmates who he was accused of doing bad things to in the judge's chamber. So the judge obviously is linked in a sense because his chamber was used for alleged misdeeds, and that is where an interesting and maybe material link to the case comes in. So obviously the charge in this case is going to be difficult to beat. The sheriff is going to have to get a very good attorney, but it's very likely, incredibly likely, that he's going to face jail time. And assuming that the video that has been shown is accurate, it shows that the sheriff was on the other side of the room. There was a secretary there too who ran out, and it does not appear to be any case of self-defense, any case of justifiable action, but rather a clear and cut crime which took place. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.